Right. Hi guys, so welcome to our final videos of this assignment. So our app is called Travel Book. It's a iOS-based application. So we are group T01/14-3. Here are our team members. So for the UI design part, we select two color schemas. So one is the daily mode and the other one is the dark mode. So we make the app looks more colorful and more adaptable. So here are the technologies that we used for this app. For the mobile development, we use React Native as the native development and use Redux for the global state management. For the backend side, we use JavaScript we use Express.js by JavaScript and deployed at Firebase. And also we use multiple Google APIs for our apps. So the sensor we used for this application, the first one is the Face ID or the Touch ID for the user logging. And the next one is the location. And also we insert a vibration for an emergency call, which we're gonna show you later in the demo. So here comes to the demo of our app. We will firstly discuss about the backend side of our server, and then we move to our actual app demo.
We use Firebase as our backend. This simple backend supports authentication and basic databases CRUD operations. The authentication is using the basic authentication. We use email and password as the identifier of users. Once successfully log in, the server will return an ID token. Then we can put this ID token in the request header to let the server know we are who we are. And then the token comprises many elements. When we decode it, it contains the user ID, and in this way, the server will know which user is accessing this API. We created two databases. One database is user profile. The user profile stores the profile of the user. It also supports basic CRUD operations. We can read, we can update, we can create. The user profile stores most of the data in JSON format except one, the photo. To simply save the space of our server, we store the URL of this photo. And the URL is also provided by one internet picture hoster to let us get and retrieve this photo. Since file store database is a non-circle database, we can store the data in JSON format. You can see we can store whatever we want without dealing with the relational database. And this database is called favorite database. It stores all the places of one user he liked. This database also supports basic operations like delete, like get, like update, and create. And that's all for our backend.
Right, here comes to our front-end demo. So we can just scan the QR code, open and export. Right, so just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so here comes to the open page. We just press get started, and then if you don't have the account, just press sign up and enter an email. We just use anything at gmail.com, and the password, yeah, of course you can set everything you want, but here we just use the strong password which created by Apple, right, to sign up. So after we sign up successfully, it comes up a pop-up window, right? So just press OK here. Going back to the login, and just press the account we just created. So we use Face ID here, right? So sign in. So once we sign in, the app will ask us for the location permission. So here I press allow once. After we press allow once, the app has been launched successfully. Here we have explore screen, community, plan, and settings for our app, right? So here I would like to use another default account for our app, which contains more features and data. So press sign in again, so everything remains the same, but we have multiple plans. So here is the explore screen. We have our current location and current weather, and the explore screen, which under the image here. The next one is the go to place, go to hotel, and go to restaurant, which I will discuss about later. So let's have a look at the weather first. So once we press it, here comes up the detailed weathers. So we also create a dark mode for it. Let's have a look, right? Just like what I said before, we have a dark mode schema. So here is the dark mode, right? Okay, let's going back to the daily mode again. So here we press, once we want to start explore, just press the photo, and here comes up the photo based on your current location and the information from Wikipedia, which we fetch it, and then explore places. Right, here is 3 sections: place, hotel, and food restaurant. We can also press the go to place, go to hotel, and go to restaurant for entering to this section separately. Great. So excuse me. So once we jump into this page, we could see any of these details. For example, we just press, for example, Fitzroy Gardens. It looks great, right? So go to details. Here it comes up with a photo gallery, and all the address, description, and opening hours and comments are fetched from Google API. So if we would like to save it to our plans, just press the like button here and then go to plans. We can find it somewhere. Yep, it's here. The reason why it's not in the top is because this list is sorted by distance, right? So it's 1.8 kilometers and 2.13 kilometers. And we also do a search bar here, as well as like what we did before. So Fitzroy, right, it's up to here. Okay, just cancel. So here is the map, and the red one is your current location, and the green one is your saved place. If you just press it, you can see that there is the name of your location, right? So going back to Expo, right? So here also the search bar also works. Okay, next we're going to community. So here is the community page. So the first post and the second post, and we can also make a post here. It says our Google PI cost. Right, so select a photo like this, post. Okay, done. Here it comes. Okay, so in the settings screen, so here's our disclaimer, and also we can edit the profile here. So we can set it to, for example, to male, and change your image and press save. So once it's saved, let's see, yeah, the success. So going back to the main settings screen. So after a couple of seconds, your profile has been updated. So you can see the new image, and your gender has been changed. So one thing I forgot to mention is about emergency call. You can press anywhere, long press anywhere in your explore screen, then you can get an emergency call based on your current location. So currently we support China, Australia, New Zealand, US, UK, yeah, these countries. So thanks for your watch and have a great day.